Good morning, children. Today we will discuss about addition and subtraction of fraction. For adding or subtracting, you will get two types of fraction, like fraction or unlike fraction. Here one question is given 4 upon 12 and 5 upon 12. These fractions are given is like fraction because the denominators are same. If the given fractions are like, you have just add the numerators or subtract the numerators. Here addition, that is why we are adding the numerators together. 4 plus 5 upon 12. Denominator will be same. Don't add 12 plus 12, only one time you have to take 12. Then 4 plus 5, 9 upon 12. And after getting the answer, you have to check whether the answer is improper or not. If your answer is improper, you have to convert this into mixed fraction. Check the answer 9 upon 12, it is not improper, it is a proper fraction. And after checking that, you have to check whether it is in lowest term or not. If it is not in lowest term, you have to reduce that fraction in lowest term. Here 9 upon 12, both numerator and denominator you can reduce by dividing 3. So you can do that. 9 divided by 3, 3 will come, and 12 divided by 3, 4 will come. So the answer of this question is 3 upon 4. Now let me explain one other example. Here one question is written 3 upon 4 plus 7 upon 8 plus 11 upon 15. Three fractions are given and these fractions are unlike fractions. Denominators are different. If the given question is unlike, first of all you have to find out the LCM of the denominators. Here denominators are 4, 8 and 15. Finding the LCM. Already you know how to find the LCM. 2-3 methods are there. Any one method, which one is easy for you, that you can use. Here I am showing the prime factorization method for finding the LCM. For in that method, you have to take the LCM 4, 8 and 15 and take the prime number for dividing. The smallest prime number is 2 and this 4 and 8 is divisible by 2. That's why I am taking here 2. 4 divided by 2 will come and 8 divided by 2 4 will come. 15 is not divisible by 2. That's why 15 as it is we are writing down. Again this 2 and 4 is divisible by 2. That's why again the prime number 2 we are taking. 2 divided by 2 1 and 4 divided by 2 2 will come. 15 is not divisible. Again you can take 2. 1 is here. 2 divided by 2 1 will come and 15. Now you have to divide this 15. The next prime number is 3 and this 15 is divisible by 3. That's why we are taking 3 here. And 1 is here, 1 is here. 15 divided by 3, 5 will come. And 5 is a prime number. So here you can take 5 for dividing. And here 1, this is also 1. 5 divided by 5, 1. And the prime factorization of these three numbers are over here. After getting the prime factors, for getting the LCM, you have to multiply the prime numbers together. So here I am writing the LCM. Here 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 2, 8, 8 into 3, 24 and 24 into 5, 120 and your LCM is 120. After finding out the LCM, take this LCM as the common denominator. And now see the solution here, 120 be taken as common denominator, and now we are changing the numerator. Numerator also should be changed. So for changing the numerator, take the first fraction 3 upon 4. This one you can do in the rough column, it is the rough work. Rough column you can do it. Taken the first fraction 3 upon 4 and this fraction should be multiplied by the LCM. 120 divided by 4. 4 divided by 4, 1 will come and 120 divided by 4, 30 will come. Now this 3 multiplied by 30, these two numbers should be multiplied. 3 into 30, 90 will come. So the first numerator you got, it is addition sign. So here also we have to put the addition sign. The same way take the second fraction. Second fraction is 7 upon 8. So 7 upon 8 we taken. This also multiplied by 120. See the division, 8 divided by 8, 1 will come here and 12 divided by 8, 8 ones are 8, then 4 is remainder, so this will become 40. 40 divided by 8, 5. 15 you got, 15 multiplied by 7. 15 multiplied by 7, 7 5s are 35, 3 remainder, 7 ones are 7 plus 3, 10. 105 you got the second numerator. Here also then again it is addition, so here we put the addition sign. Now third fraction 11 upon 15 and this also multiplied by the LCM. 15 divided by 15, 1 will come, and 15 8s are 120. Then multiply this number together, 11 into 8, 88 will come. So we changed all the three numerators here. After changing the numerators, add these numbers together. So the answer will be C 8 plus 5 13, and 3 will return 1 remainder, 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 8 18, 1 remainder again, and 1 plus 1 2, 283 upon 120. After getting the answer, I already said in the first example, you have checked whether your answer is improper, convert it into mixed, and if it is possible to reduce, do that also. Here this answer, it is improper fraction. Numerator 283 is greater than 120. That's why we have to convert it into mixed fraction. 283 should be divided by 120. Those who can do the division directly, you can do, otherwise you can use the rough column for doing the division. Here I am writing the answer directly. 283 divided by 120. 120 into 2, 240 will come. Then 283 minus 240, the remainder will be 43, and the remainder will take as the numerator, and the denominator will be same. Here 120, here also 120. So this is the answer of this question. Let me explain third question. Here I written one question, 3 upon 4 plus 1 upon 2 and minus 5 upon 8. 3 fraction, 2 addition, and the third one is subtraction here. Here also steps are same only. You have to find the LCM of the denominator. Here the denominators given are 4, 2 and 8. Already in the second example I explained how to find the LCM. But here the denominators are small number. It is not necessary you have to show the LCM by prime factorization method or division method. You can find it directly also. Actually, LCM means the lowest common multiple. If you know the tables very well, you can calculate it in mind very easily. For example, here 4, 2 and 8. Just revise these three numbers table in mind and find out which is the lowest common multiple coming. In 4's table, 4 2s are 8, and in 2's table also it is coming 2 into 4, 8 will come, and in 8's table also 8 into 1, 8 comes. So in this three numbers table, 8 is the lowest common multiple. That's why here I am taking the LCM directly without showing any method. LCM taken 8. After finding the LCM, take LCM of the common denominator and change the numerator also. First one, 3 upon 4 fraction multiplied by its denominator, multiplied by its LCM. So 4 divided by 4, 1 will come, 8 divided by 4, 2 will come. 3 into 2, 6. First numerator you got. Same way the second fraction, 1 upon 2 multiplied by the LCM, 8. 2 divided by 2, 1, and 8 divided by 2, 4. 1 into 4, 4 will come. And third sign is subtraction sign. That's why we are putting the subtraction sign in the numerator here also. And third fraction, 5 upon 8 multiplied by the LCM, 8. 8 divided by 8, 1 will come. Now 5 into 1, 1. After this, see these two numbers are positive numbers. Add the positive numbers. So it will come 6 plus 4, 10. And this minus 10 minus 5, then LCM is 8. 10 minus 5, it is 5 upon 8. This is the answer of this question. Okay, let me move to the next fourth question. And already I explained 3 questions. And all the 3 questions, you may notice one thing, you should know the tables very well. If anyone don't know the table, please do the revision at home. Now you are getting enough time. There is no party, no outing, nothing. You are sitting at your home, so make use of the time properly. So let me explain the fourth question here. Written one question, 4 fractions are given. All the 4 fractions are given in the mixed form. So first step you have to do is change the mixed fraction into improper fraction. These also already explained in the previous classes. So see how to change. Here first one, 7 upon 12. The mixed improper fraction of this will be 19 upon 12. 12 into 1, 12 plus 7, 19, and the denominator will be same. This is addition sign, that's why you put the addition sign here. 8 into 9, 72. 72 plus 5, 77 upon 9. Third one is subtraction, that's why you put the subtraction sign here. And 4 into 6, 24. 24 plus 5, 29 upon 6. This also subtraction. Put the subtraction sign. 2 into 18, 36 plus 1, 37 upon 18. Now you got 4 unlike fractions. After getting unlike fraction, you know now you have to find the LCM of the denominators. 12, 9, 6, 18. Those who know the table, you can take it directly. Here I am showing the LCM directly I am taking. Those who don't know, revise the table. Otherwise, find the LCM in prime factorization method or division method. Here in 12's table, in 9's table, in 6's table and 18's table, 36 is the lowest common multiple. That is why 36 is the LCM. After getting the LCM, take LCM as the common denominator and now change the numerator also. First fraction, 90 upon 12 multiplied by the LCM, 36. 12 divided by 12, 1 will come and 12 3s are 36. Now multiply 19 into 3, 19 into 3, it will come 57. So I written here 57 and the addition sign put here also. And second fraction, 77 upon 9. 77 upon 9 multiplied by 36. 9 divided by 9, 1 and 36 divided by 9, 4. 77 into 4. See the answer, it will come 7 4s are 28, 2 remainder. 7 4s are 28 plus 2, 308 will come. Next sign is subtraction, that's why putting the subtraction sign here. And I am taking the third fraction here, 29 upon 6 multiplied by 36. 6 divided by 6, 1 and 6 are 36 here. Now multiply 29 multiplied by 6. Here 9 6 are 54. 5 is remainder, 6 2s are 12 plus 5, 17, 174 and the last fraction 37 upon 18 multiplied by 36. 18 divided by 18, 1 will come and 36 divided by 18, 2 will come. 37 multiplied by 2, it is also subtraction, that's why here also we are putting the subtraction sign. Now 37 into 2, 7 2s are 14. 1 remainder, 3 2s are 6 plus 1, 7. So, we change the numerator here. So, you got first two numbers positive numbers and the next two numbers negative. So, you have to add the positive numbers together. After adding the positive numbers, we are getting 365. The negative numbers also be added together. After adding the negative numbers, you are getting 248. Now you have to do the subtraction of these two numbers, 365 minus 248. After subtracting, you will get the answer. Here 15 minus 8, 7 will come and this will become 5. 5 minus 4, 1 will come and here 3 minus 2, 1. So 117 upon 36. Now see the answer. It is improper fraction. That is why you have to convert this into mixed fraction. For changing it into mixed, you have to divide the numerator by its denominator. Here I am writing the direct answer. 117 divided by 36. 36 into 3, 108 will come. So 3 you have to write as the integer and then 117 minus 108, 9 will come remainder and the denominator will be same. Now you check the answer. 3, 9 upon 36. This fraction, the proper fraction is not in lowest term. So you can reduce it again. Both number you can reduce by 9. Divided by 9 here. Here also divided by 9. So your last answer will be 3, 1 upon 4. It is the answer of this. Okay, this is your today's homework. Do these 4 questions in your notebook. Plus the 4 questions I explained. 4 plus 4 total 8 questions you have to do in the notebook. Okay, let me wind up the class today.